Why is vinegar so reactive? One of the main ingredients in vinegar is acid. You can use vinegar to clean mold, rust, and stains. It is also good for outside. Spray it on weeds and bugs to keep them away from your house. It is also used in foods such as salad dressings and pickling things. Here I'll be doing the vinegar baking soda volcano. Baking soda is a sodium bicarbonate. NaHCO3. Each molecule has sodium, oxygen, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. Vinegar is an acidic acid. HCH3OO. Each molecule has hydrogen and acetate ion. Vinegar and baking soda equals carbon dioxide. Or CO2. Each molecule has one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. In one cup I have baking soda and the other I have vinegar. I will be pouring the opposite in to see which one reacts more. The one that I poured baking soda into reacted more. I decided to pour some more vinegar in to see if I would get a bigger reaction. This works by the vinegar and the baking soda exchanging protons. It turns into water and then carbon dioxide. I filled 2 cups up with vinegar. One I will put in a raw egg, and in the other one I will put in a hard-boiled egg. I'll leave it in there for a couple days and see what the vinegar does to the egg. The hard-boiled one started to spin. Immediately the vinegar started eating away at the calcium shell, leaving only the thin membrane skin. After a couple days I took them out and began to clean off the excess shell, which was nothing but a paste. The hard-boiled one was more dense, so it isn't as bouncy. When I dropped them both, the hard-boiled one barely bounced and the raw one bounced a lot. I wanted to pop them open to see if the vinegar had taken any effect to the inside of the egg. The hard-boiled egg looked like a regular hard-boiled egg, and the membrane skin came off in one piece. The raw egg also just looked like a regular egg. I added 2 teaspoons of vinegar to a half a cup of milk and began stirring. This formed little curds at the top of the milk. After I'd stirred it, I put a coffee filter over a jar, forming a little bowl, and secured it with a rubber band. I poured in the milk solution and waited for all the liquid to filter out, leaving only the milk curds. This process took over 2.5 hours. When it was done, I added food coloring to it and added 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And I began to stir. The solution became sticky. I tested the glue by using 2 pieces of paper and trying to stick them together. They stayed stuck together like actual glue. As you can see, vinegar reacts with many different things in many different ways. I had fun doing all of these experiments and seeing all of the different outcomes.